Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create new user in Azure portal. So let's move to Azure portal. As you can see, we are in Azure portal. Here in Azure services, click on Azure Active Directory. Now here click on users. Here we have one tab with the name of new user. Click on it. In username, give any name for your user. For example, I am creating user with the name of Ali. In name, type name. In first name, type first name. Then here in password we have two options. One is auto generated password and second is let me create the password. You can choose any one of them. I am going with let me create a password. Click on it and type password which you want to set for this user. After set up a password, click on create. As you can see, our new user is created successfully. Click on it. Here you can see the complete URL of your user. If you want to log in with this user on Azure portal, just open a new tab and type the URL of Azure portal, which is portal.azure.com, and hit enter. Now here in email, type the complete URL of your user, which is ali@itnlocaloutlook.onmicrosoft.com. Then click next and here type the password of this user and click on sign in. Here first of all you need to change password of your user. After changing password, click on sign in. Now here click on skip for now. In stay signed in, you can choose any option. I am going with no. Now we have successfully logged in our Azure portal. Here click on maybe later. Here you can see we have logged in with ali@itnlocaloutlook.onmicrosoft.com. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.